I'm here to tell you that starting your own seeds is way better. And if you're not already doing it, you definitely need to. There's so many benefits to doing it. You get such a wide variety of varieties to pick. And there's so many unique things you can grow. Like for me personally, I love growing like all of these like purple vegetables and like the rainbow colors. There's so many unique varieties. You can grow a different type of green and all that for everything, every flavor. There's just hundreds. It's amazing. And plus, I will say, like, one seed packet is going to be less probably than one transplant that you buy at a local nursery. So you will be able to save so much money. And with one seed packet, I mean, you can get like it depends on how many seeds you get, but you can have anywhere from like 20 to 100 different plants into one seed packet. So, I mean, there's just so many benefits to it.
Especially when it comes to things like lettuce and things like that. Like, I'll sometimes, like, feel like if we're, at a store and someone's about to buy lettuce, like, I'll almost, like, wanna go over there and stop them. Like, "Hey, let me help you out." Like, I can get in like, I guess that's why we had to make an app for this because I kept interrupting people at the store telling them to buy seeds instead, but there's a lot of things that you're gonna save a lot of money on.